Hey everyone, today we're going to be making this beautiful rustic wooden tray. I found this tray on clearance and it was either Michael's or Joann's. I think it was like 90% off. It was originally $24.99 and of course I got it for like $2. And I've had it in my stash for a minute, so I thought I would pull it out and create something to decorate my kitchen. So I'm using two colors. I'm using a black and a brown, and I'm going to mix them together because I want to create sort of a stain for the tray. I'm adding the brown first and just a drop or two of the black, and then I'm going to mix that up with the popsicle stick and dilute it a little bit with some water. And this is such an easy project to do. You can even make the tray. You can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and have them cut some wood down for you for just a couple bucks, and you'll have your own tray. You can also get the handles there as well for a couple bucks. So really super cheap, super simple DIY. So I've mixed up the paint here and diluted it a little bit with water, and I dampened my brush, and now I'm just going to brush it on. And like I said, I wanted a stain effect, so that's what I did, just watered down some paint, and it worked perfectly. I love how this turned out. It looks so beautiful. Looks like something you'd spend an arm and a leg for in one of the retail stores. And as you can see, it's the wood's taking the paint really nicely. I don't know. This was so easy to do and so nice. I just am impressed with myself and how it turned out. I almost wish I actually made the tray from scratch, so to speak, but to get it for, just $2 or less than $3 was a good thing. So I'm happy with that. And now I'm going to go to my Cricut and cut out the wording that I'm going to put on. I'm just using a black self-adhesive vinyl for this part. You can actually stencil it on or use the letters from Dollar Tree if you want to create this look. So now that I've got the name and the lettering cut out, I'm just going to use some transfer tape to apply it. I actually am using the clear shelf liner from Dollar Tree as my transfer tape, or paper should I say, and I'm just using the back of my scissors to sort of press it on. I do have the tool, but I didn't feel like getting it out, so I just used my scissors. And that worked out really good. I love how it looks. And now I'm just going to take some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. And this is the matte Mod Podge. And I'm going to seal everything down. I'm going to start with the lettering first, and then I'll go on to seal the whole tray. I just wanted the letters to be stuck down really nicely, and I didn't want them, eventually peeling up or anything. So I'm giving them a good coat first, and then I'll go over the whole thing. And here I go, just spreading it out. I probably should have used a bigger brush, but that little brush worked out fine. Everything dries clear, no brush strokes or anything, so it looks really, really nice. And this is one of those projects you can do for less than $10. Like I said, go to Home Depot or Lowe's and have them cut down your wood and pick up a couple of the drawer handles, and you'll have yourself a tray. And here is how I styled it up for now, but I'm going to put it somewhere else in my kitchen. But I love how this looks. I just styled it with a couple flowers and a lantern, and it just looks really, really beautiful. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.